leaders met earlier this afternoon and picked Nitish Kumar as the Chief Minister once again. While Nitish is all set to take oath tomorrow, there is no clarity on the post of Bihar Deputy Chief Minister. Rajnath Singh and Sushil Modi met Governor, and after the meeting, Rajnath Singh said that the decision on the Deputy Chief Minister will be conveyed soon. Sushil Kumar Modi has tweeted that he has been chosen as the BJP leader in Assembly. Tarkeshwar is Prasad to be the Deputy Chief Minister. That's the name that's also now doing the round. There's a complete twist. Tarkeshwar Prasad, would he be the Deputy Chief Minister? Let me go across to our editor, Special Projects, Prakash Singh, for the latest. Prakash, if you can hear me, there appears to be a twist in this entire Bihar government formation. One could perhaps look into the way Rajnath Singh chose not to speak on this entire subject when he was asked this question. He was accompanied by Sushil Modi. Is it quite clear that perhaps Tarkeshwar Prasad would be the Deputy Chief Minister?
Well, there's been no clarity either from Nitish Kumar nor from Rajnath Singh, and no clarity from any BJP leader as well. But Tarkeshwar Prasad has been elected as the leader of the BJP legislative party. But as far as this suspense is concerned, it raises certain speculation because the BJP, as I was mentioning earlier, would want to move beyond Sushil Modi, keeping in mind the future prospect of the NDA, because both Nitish Kumar and Sushil Modi are close to 70 years, and in the next 5 years they would be 75. So they have to prepare the next generation leader, and keeping in mind the social composition, and Tarkeshwar Prasad also belongs to the backward community, and in this part of the country, without backward politics, you cannot survive. So one, and most likely keeping in mind the experience of Sushil Modi and the way he's functioned over a period of time, with central cabinet expansion, which is due any time. Maybe he would be inducted into the central cabinet because he had headed several important committees. That is, he's the GST chairman, and also he was earlier the member of the GST, heading the finance ministry in Bihar for 13 years, and with a wide range of experience, has been the leader, the longest-serving leader of opposition in Bihar. So he's got quite experience. So maybe Narendra Modi might use his experience in the union cabinet, and which is very crucial, and maybe he would be heading a very crucial department. That I can assume this based on the political inputs I am getting. And maybe the BJP would try to project someone for the future and groom someone for the future. So all speculations are going around, still confabulations on with the top BJP leadership, including Rajnath Singh, Devendra Fadnavis, Sushil Modi had a meeting with the top leadership of the BJP a couple of days back. He returned back from Delhi to Patna yesterday, and he's tweeted a moment back that he congratulates Tarkeshwar Prasad being elected as the leader of the legislative party. So this is a clear hint that the BJP has some plan ready for Sushil Modi. Back to you.
Well, Prakash, just a quick question before I also get in a reaction right now. So it's quite clear that perhaps there's been no confirmation with regards to who would become the Deputy Chief Minister at this point in time. Names that have essentially been doing the rounds, but any frontrunners apart from Tarkeshwar?
Well, there are a lot of people within the BJP. One is Prem Kumar. He also belongs to the EBC community and is a very senior leader. But again, he's crossed that threshold age of 70. He's been MLA since 1990. So the BJP would certainly want to groom someone for the future who can take the saddle, who can take the leadership forward. And that is why maybe the focus would be on a relatively younger generation leader with certain bit of experience, and also who belongs to the backward community, so that the social composition is in favor of the NDA, even if it is the Lok Sabha elections, which is the next elections in 2024. So the BJP will have to do its arithmetic right. No doubt, Sushil Modi for the past 25, 30 years has been the architect of the BJP in Bihar. He's been the mastermind. Without him, nothing functions here in the BJP, and he's a very hard-working, sincere and honest politician we have witnessed. And maybe Narendra Modi would like to use his experience in the union cabinet because he's been the finance minister for quite some time. So
Right.
maybe the BJP would want to use the experiment of Uttar Pradesh by having two deputy chief ministers from different communities so that a message is sent to different sections of the society. But they're not opening up and they're keeping the cards very secret.
Well, thank you very much, Prakash, for putting this into perspective. Let's also listen